Okay, so now it's time to actually see one more function that is we really forgot to show this, that is DATEDIFF function. So if you want to take out the difference between two dates, you can use the DATEDIFF function. So for that we actually need the customer data, and if you remember in our previous session we have fixed this birth date column. So if I click on this, the previous column, you see this is text. Now if I click on this, you see this is a date. So now what we will do, we will click on new column and then we will create a column name, that is age. So what we will do, from this customers, from this birth date, we will find out the age. So for that what we will do is we will take the DATEDIFF function, we will write down DATEDIFF function, and you see date 1, date 2, and it is asking for the interval. So in this case my date 1 will be the birth date, that not this one, this one, the one that we have created. So birth date, that is my birth date refined one. Then we don't need this ones. I will hit comma and then it is asking for the date 2, if you can see here. So in the date 2 what we will take today, because we want to take the difference between today and the day when they have born. Now I have taken today as a function, and then here it is actually asking for the, it is actually asking for the interval. So in what interval I want the data, so whether I want the difference in day, hour, minute. So in this case I think the best one will be year, so I will just take year and I will close the bracket and I will hit enter. Now if I do that, you see one age column has created. Now this guy is 58, 58, something like that will be created.